Using the device card feature on the LG ThinQ app. If you are using the LG ThinQ app, you can use the device card for various purposes. By utilizing the device card that is added to the home screen after connecting your products to the app, you can easily enjoy your product's many features. You can check your product status and turn them on or off without pressing the power button on your products by using the device cards. When the products are moved to other locations, you can also relocate your device cards to other homes or rooms. Let's find out how to use the device card feature. Controlling products. Tap the device card on the home screen. When the product screen appears, you can turn the product on or off. Check on the product via Smart Diagnosis and upgrade the product software when a new update is released. Enjoy your product's many features via the device cards. Moving your products. Tap and hold the device card. Tap Move. Select the home or room you want and tap Save to locate your device card in a new space. Reordering the device card arrangement. If you have registered 2 or more products, you can reorder the device card arrangement on the home screen. Tap and hold the device card and drag it to place it where you want. You can rearrange the device cards in an order that allows you to reach the ones you often use more easily.